Hi everyone. Hope am I audible to you guys. So
Hello
if you are
everyone.
there, please give it a thumbs up or hi in the chat section and bring your friend into the live session. Today we will talk about how we can boost your LinkedIn profile as well as we will review your profile. So here we go with Yashpreet. Hi Yashpreet. Hope you guys are doing great. Cool. So let's get started. In the meantime, you guys can share the live link with your friends so that your friends can also join. Because today we received approx 23 responses for the LinkedIn review. So let's get started and sit back, relax for the session. Cool. So Atul is here. Hi
Hey
Atul.
Atul. Hey Varsha.
Varsha is here. Cool. Awesome. So yeah, Priya. So let's get started. Let's
Sure.
start with a small introduction, and also let us know why LinkedIn is important for the developer or for any students.
Okay. So should I start first or you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Priya Chandak, founder of Eduhub community. So, I'm also a Meta School Notes lead of Kolkata region, and currently I'm pursuing a BTech in CSE from University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur, and I'm in my fourth year. So, as I just said, that why LinkedIn is important for each and every developer. So, I believe that maintaining your LinkedIn account, uh, updating each and everything, your progress, your certifications are very crucial. I believe that each and every one of us should make our LinkedIn account in such a way that whenever any recruiter from any company sees our profile, like he should be amazed. Yeah, what I believe is that your LinkedIn account should reflect your CV. Don't you think, Sahitya?
Yep, yep, yep. Right now, what is happening in current industry, HR is not looking for your one pager resume because you can mention a lie also in your resume. But if you are mentioning something on your LinkedIn, if you have a solid proof, you are mentioning everything on the LinkedIn account. That is your digital resume, right? Apart from LinkedIn, there is another resume for the developer, that is GitHub. So you can easily understand like how important it is, right? So in this particular live session we will be talking about this kind of thing. Also in the mid of this session we will also talk about some of our initiative that we are launching in upcoming September month. So let's get started with our first uh first LinkedIn profile. Give me a second so that I can share my screen. Cool. Oh, I guess it's visible, but no. Let me move it again. Yep, let's get started. So, first LinkedIn profile on our screen is Rohit. So, yep. So, Rohit is like founder of something and he is Google developer, AI Rush, cohort member, coder, footballer, SSID is college name, and researcher. So, first thing I point out that is his banner. It's not
Exactly.
look so good. Mr. Allen is, I guess, I don't know why he is mentioning this kind of thing. So, rather than going to this kind of, banner, you can use some sort of work that you are doing. Let's say you are a programmer or you are a founder, right? So you can add something related to your company in the background, right? So this kind of thing you can changes in the banner section, right? And let's talk about your profile picture. So it's decent and look professional because you have a white background, and yep, and you are looking to the camera, and that is like perfect. Now let's move on to your header section where you are mentioning that you are CEO and founder of some company and you are Google developer. So what kind of developer you are, you should mention clearly because Google developers mean like there are lots of things like is it a Google developer student club or it is GDG expert. What is it? Right? Clearly mention about your role, because Google developers is like a big thing, right? And also here you can see generation AI rush cohort member. Okay, so you can remove this part as well, because I can't see any kind of USP. And also your footballer, yes, you can mention it as well, researcher, and your college name and your pass out year, right? So what do you think, Priya? What's the thing he can incorporate?
Like the first thing that you mentioned about the background, I also felt the same thing when I saw his LinkedIn profile, and I feel like he should change it. And moreover, I feel like he should mention it clearly in his header section about that Google developer thing and all those things that you mentioned.
Cool. Perfect. So let's move on to the contact information section, because in this particular review section we will take a lot of time. Maybe 1 hour we will be live, right? Maybe you can bring your snacks on your desk, because this live session will go a long way, right? So let's think that is like contact information. He did not mention anything about his contact information, like not any kind of you know. Uh, email ID, phone
Email
number,
ID and
or
all are required.
GitHub, Twitter, nothing is there. So I should, like, you should update this kind of thing in your profile. Moving to your featured section, so we're mentioning your certification and some, I guess, mentoring or some session experience you were mentioning. That is looking pretty good. And now let's move on to your about us section. So you just mention some one-liner statement. So rather than one-liner statement, you can elaborate in a very good manner in some bullet point, so that recruiter can come or your fellow founders can come and, like, they can give you some sort of offer, or they can collab with you, right? And moving to your experience section. So repeated time on my previous live session, like, I told everyone to mention what kind of thing you are doing in that particular company. You are mentioning internship student partners. This is one kind of campus ambassador program. So what kind of thing you are doing with Intanshala, right? Mention in that about section. Mention in this section, right? So same thing goes to your every section. So you are chief executive officer. So what is your role, and what is your company, what kind of thing your company is doing? You can mention over there, right? And you can mention your CGPA over here, and your certificate and licenses. Everything is cool, and you are mentioning some projects with some uh, description as well. So you can give a lot more description if you want, but yeah, that is cool. And you are mentioning some skill set, and you have some enrolls, and you don't have that testimonial section. Like, forget the section. What is it called? But some kind of testimonial, like if your founder or if your company manager give you some sort of feedback, you can ask for the feedback, and you can add on in your testimonial section. So yep, what do you think, Priya? What will be the point you can give on 10?
On 10, I would like to rate it 6.
Cool. So yeah, so I guess Rohit, I hope if you are there, you can give it a hi, or you understand something like that in the comment section, and do some changes in your profile, and it will go crazy. Cool. Let's move on to the next profile. That is Parth. So again, Parth, your first impression is your profile picture. It's not look good, because uh, what I can say, this LinkedIn is a professional platform, so you can't upload this kind of funky photo in your profile picture. So you should change these things. But your banner is looking decent. It's work, right? And also, you were mentioning passionate Android developer, and you are working in something. So yeah, I'm just going to your profile. I can't see any kind of input. What do you think, Priya? should I go with in details, because I can't see any kind of experiences or any
I I
specific
don't
things
think
to
that we should
discuss.
go through this profile in details.
Yes, you should up to date your profile. Okay, lots of registration is going on in my live, live section. I can see in the Excel sheet on my second screen. Cool. So I hope you also you can share your name or link in the chat section itself in the uh, you know uh, live stream. So yeah, part, so you can change multiple things. You can add some key roles over this headline point, not like a one liner or two liner thing. You can mention some sort of skills, and in the contact information you should update your others details as well. Awesome. So moving to your about a section again, elaborate it in a more, what kind of thing you are doing. Everything you should mention in the bullet point, right? And yeah, rest of the thing is cool. So if I rate this profile, it's very much unprofessional looking and not up to the mark. So I can rate it's 4 on 10. What do you think?
Um, I would rate it as 2.
Cool. Awesome. So I guess parts you can update it. After updating, you can definitely jump onto our Discord server, jump onto our WhatsApp, or you can message me on LinkedIn. So we will definitely check your LinkedIn profile again. So yeah, keep in touch with us. You can join our Discord server, or you can join our WhatsApp community as well. Cool. Next, let's move on to the next uh, profile. So right now I hand over to the Priya. So Priya, you can start exploding this profile and let me know.
Okay, so first of all, I'd like him to change his that background image and his profile picture. These two
Background image
things we
should
should
be
change.
changed,
Yeah,
and profile picture it's kind of you should change. Yeah,
yeah,
because your
he should
background is
change it
looking cool.
because the background is not that good.
Cool, awesome,
And now
and
in the about section, you can mention some more things, don't you think, Saitya?
he is mentioning his college name in a large manner. Galgutia's College of
Exactly.
Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida. इतना डिटेल्स नहीं चाहिए भाई.
This
So
कॉलेज
you
का
can
नाम ही काफी
mention
है.
short from your college, GCET, right? So this kind of thing, but not mentioning the whole name with the proper address. No, and pursuing BTech from computer science and engineering, you should change this bio, right? You should update some key
Exactly.
points like, yeah, I'm doing this, I'm studying in this college, so that you can mention a lot of things in your headline section, not two things only, right? And let's move on to the contact information section. So you are mentioning your email ID.
Mail
Rather than your
ID.
email ID, you can mention your Twitter. You can mention
Twitter.
your,
GitHub.
uh,
GitHub.
GitHub or your portfolio as well if you have. Cool. Moving to some feature section, you have something your college tour or some speaker session you are attending. Awesome. And you don't have any kind of about us section. No, I can't see your about us section. So you
About a
should.
section needs to be implemented in the profile.
Yes, it's missing, totally missing. Awesome. And your campus ambassador of something, so you can mention, you were mentioning the key roles like skills, digital marketing, teamwork, IT. So, what kind of thing you can mention over here? Like you are marketer, you are selling something, you are doing this kind of thing. So you can mention, right? You are present over this company. So what kind of thing you are doing in this company, you can mention over there. And again, from the Galgodias, you were mentioning your CGPA, some activities that school. Also, you're mentioning
Yeah.
your school things that school. Also, you're mentioning some license and certificates, some skills. Also, again, testimonial section is missing.
Missing.
So, if you know your senior, if you know any, in your fellow mates, your team members, you can just ask to, give us, give you some sort of, testimonial. Yep. So yeah, that's it about your profile. You can change your banner and profile picture and the headline mostly as soon as possible, right? Cool. So moving to the next profile. Cool. So your background, like you were mentioning some code, but यार ये Google से उठा हुआ है, right? Easily anyone
Yeah,
can see that this is from the Google. So don't use this kind of template behind your profile picture. You have Canva, you have other softwares to create a simple layout of your banner. So you can go to Canva, spend some 10 to 15 minutes or maximum 30 minutes to create one banner, right? It will take max to max 30 minutes. So just devote your time a 30 minute and build a good banners, like that will be your proof of work, right?
exactly.
And yeah, and your profile picture, you were putting one selfie, but rather than selfie you should go for a formal picture. Now
Yeah,
let's
profile
move
picture
to,
needs to be changed.
yeah, and your headline section, you are passionate full stack developer, one stack enthusiast, crafting dynamic and web solutions, looking for internships. This is pretty much cool. Also, you can use some emojis to look a bit funky, but not so much emojis, right? So yeah, what you can say, yeah, what should he update in his profile?
First, that background banner needs to be changed. And in the bio section, I feel like the bio section is okay. And the profile picture also needs to be changed.
Cool.
According to me, the bio is okay.
Also,
Yeah,
is
in
not
the contact
mentioning.
section, mail ID is not there, GitHub is not there. That needs to be implemented.
You are a one-stack developer, so you should update. Okay, you are mentioning lots of
Okay.
stuffs about you. Hi there, I'm passionate about full stack. You are mentioning with listenership, but does not share API. So, mhm. I guess you are mentioning pretty cool things about yourself, about your skills. So yeah, it's look good. But you can
Yeah,
also do one thing, like it looks very long, very long. So
you can make it a
maybe
bit short.
you can keep it a short and some bullet point you can add so that कोई भी आएगा तो he or she will read, because अभी मेरे को read करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है because lots of things is there, right? So अगर तुम सबको एक थोड़ा सा छोटा सा फॉर्मेट पे लाओगे and you can mention it on the bullet point, definitely कोई भी आके read कर लेगा, right? And now move to your experience section. Again, same thing you are missing. That is what kind of thing you are doing in this company or in this community. Please mention over there. And CGP is
Yes.
there, certification is there, some projects also is there, skills, testimonial section is again, recommendation section is missing again. So you can recommend yourself by your friend or your teachers. Cool. So change your banner, change your profile picture, and try to work on your about a section. That is pretty much about your profile. And also update your contact info section as soon as
Yeah,
possible.
that needs to be updated ASAP.
Awesome. Let's move on to the next profile. It is Karan. Okay. Screen is going black. Mhm, mhm. Cool, Karan. So again, the fan companies are behind you. That means your aim is to go in the fan companies, right? So I can't, relate with your background because what should I mention over here? You were mentioning all the Fang logos, but what exactly it's mean? कि क्या mean करना चाहते हो तुम इस Fang logo से? I can't understand.
But
Like you wants to go.
what I believe is that वो चाहता होगा इन फैंग कंपनीज में से किसी एक में काम करना उसकी ड्रीम होगी.
Yeah, but
Seriously mention kar diya.
as I mentioned, Karna is not cool because maybe other companies also can reach out to you. And you are mentioning Fang. So apart from Fang, there are a lot of companies, right?
Yeah,
So
that's a
wha-
point.
because if you are thinking that Fang is giving a lots of money, that is a wrong thing. So there are lots of
A
startups,
myth.
lots of things, lots of companies are there. They are paying very very high salary rather than these Fang companies, right? Cool. So I suggest if you want, you can change your banner because I can't relate. And also your profile picture,
Needs to be
it's one
changed.
kind of art image, avatar kind of thing, but needs to change. Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. And also your bio look like not bio, like headlines look cool, like tech enthusiast,
Yeah.
digital marketer, IEEE member, member of GDG. Cool. Like headline section is looking good, so don't need to change anything in the headline section. And apart from this, you are not mentioning anything in the contact information section. So if I wants to contact you, for some freelancing work or for any other thing, so how can I reach out to you? Right, उनको message करना पड़ेगा or something like that. And also you are mentioning your link tree over here. ठीक है. Also you are mentioning your learn student ambassador profile, GitHub profile, YouTube things. Nice. Cool. Now let's move on to your featured section. So you are mentioning some Azure dev day kind of thing, some events, and some certificate, AWS banners. Okay, awesome. And again, you are not lacking of your about us section. You were just mentioning some sort of thing. I like to attend workshop, conference, seminar, webinar, dev fest, technical fest. Okay, you should update these things. You should write something about
About
yourself.
section needs to be updated.
Yep, awesome. Cool. So yeah, that is like you are campus ambassador of MyGov India. So what kind of thing you are doing over here? Just mention this on the on this section. Same thing. Okay, so you are community evangelist at Eduhub. So in Eduhub community, what kind of thing you are doing, you should mention, right? So you guys, if you wants to, join us as a community evangelist, you can definitely come and join us. You can, join our Discord server, and also we can, follow us on LinkedIn or Twitter, so we can get all the notifications. And also, you are studying in one college, but you are not mentioning about your year. So I'm unconfident about like what kind of thing I should tell you. You can mention like your like
Your
joining
year
year and
and CGPA also.
yes. So these two things should be there, and you should also mention some volunteering thing, right? So तुम IEEE में क्या
Exactly.
करके रखे हो? What kind of thing, right? You are the member of AWS user group Pune. So as a AWS user group करते क्या है, right? You should mention and what is your role, some certification, but skills is there, but also again your lack of testimonial. So you can work on this. Change your about us, change your banner and profile picture as well. Cool. In the meantime, if you guys have any kind of question, you can feel free drop in the chat section. So I can see some messages. Divyansh is there, Shivang here, Philip is also there. Cool guys, if you have any kind of question, feel free to drop in the chat section, or if you want कि तुम्हारा भी profile हम लोग review करें, you can drop in the comment section. Give me a second, let me just switch my screen once. Should we post stuffs on LinkedIn? Should we post stuffs on? Yes, you should. You have to post something on LinkedIn because it will give you some sort of reach, right? Okay, give me a sec. I hope you can see the Excel sheet, right? Let me put it over the chat. Cool. Awesome. तो अपन अभी करण तक गए, then we have दक्ष. दक्ष के बाद we have भावेश. Cool. Let's go to the Daksh profile. Awesome, guys. I have also filled the Google from. Yes, Atul, your profile is there. Shortly, we will review your profile. So, Daksh, software, web software and programmer. So, I hope it's look great. Your background look great according to me because you are
Yeah,
mentioning
I like the
everything.
background.
And also, I don't know, like your profile picture looks good to me, but I don't think you should change or yeah, you can upgrade, but for right now, it's okay,
It's optional.
right?
I feel it's optional.
Why my screen is loading slow? Okay, and move to his by what I can say the headline. So he's co-lead at GDSC GTBIT, React Dev at Shopify Web. Okay, it's look cool, bro. You are mentioning lots of things. Like if I jump into your profile, I can see that you are a full stack web developer as well as a Flutter developer, right? So any recruiter, if they wants to contact you on freelancing or any kind of thing, they can easily contact you. And let's check your contact information. So you're mentioning your GitHub, that is your proof of work, but also you should mention your email address. So
Email
if I am
address.
a recruiter, I'm jump into your profile, but I can't see any kind of email. So what's the way I can send you an email, or what kind of thing I should do with you? Like I can send a message, but that's not look good, right? So you're also updating your resume over here, some certification. That's awesome. Cool. So you were mentioning all the technical skills you have. You are full stack web developer, Flutter, and also you're mentioning some sort of like cloud skills as well. Nice. And currently you are pursuing, you are doing IT from GTB IT. Cool. So I don't think you should upgrade your about the section, but yeah, if you can upgrade this all the skills in a tabular for not tabular format in point or bullet point thing, it will look more crazy according to me. So yeah, it's too hot. Let me switch on the fan. Awesome. So yeah, that's the thing. You are mentioning lots of thing about your GDSC. That's what I want. और मेरे को ये दिख गया तुम्हारे profile में. So you are mentioning everything that what kind of thing you are doing in that GTPIT as GDSC co-lead, right? Nice. Also, you're mentioning as a React developer in Shopify, what kind of thing you are doing, and also everything is mentioned like nice. That's what I want. This is a ideal thing, guys. You can take a screenshot of Daksh and you should incorporate in your profile. Yeah, let's see. Like his CGP is 9.22. What do you say, Priya?
I like the profile a lot. Like each and everything has been precisely mentioned in his profile.
Cool. Also, he's mentioning his volunteering experience, some certification of hackathons.
Yeah.
Nice. Some projects. Okay, he have recommendation as well. So you guys, you can follow his profile. A big round of shout out to Daksh. So you guys can check it out his profile. This is up to the mark profile. Awesome. So let's move on to the next profile, that is Bhavesh. So अगर मैं इसकी प्रोफाइल में आऊँ, फर्स्ट थिंग एक ही लुक में पता लग रहा है, ही इज अ फ्लटर डेवलपर, राइट? तो और कुछ बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. कोई भी रिक्रूटर आएगा तो he or she can easily understand this guy is doing flutter development, right? But
Profile
a disclaimer,
picture.
बस सिर्फ प्रोफाइल पिक्चर चेंज करो, your profile will look really crazy, right? And you are mentioning that you were software intern at some companies, Flutter Dev, you have Java, Flutter, Dart, Firebase, C++. Awesome. Let me click
Everything is
on.
missing in the contact info.
Yes. So guys, see, इसका प्रोफाइल मेरे को बहुत पसंद आया, राइट? नाउ लेट्स से आई नीड वन फ्रीलांसर, तो मैं उसको कांटेक्ट कैसे करूँ? कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट भेजूंगा, बट एचआर नहीं भेजता है। एचआर हैविंग सम क्रेडिबिलिटी, राइट? क्यों भेजेगा? नहीं भेजता है। दे वांट्स कि तुमसे तुम्हारे साथ पर्सनल कनेक्शन बनाए। सो दैट्स व्हाई ही इज लुकिंग फॉर योर ईमेल आईडी और
Email
अदर
ID.
थिंग। अबाउट अस सेक्शन, इन अबाउट अस यू
Oh,
मेंशन योर जीमेल। सो हाँ, अगर एचआर आके तुम्हारे अबाउट अस तक गया तो कैन।
but still contact section में email होना ही चाहिए.
Yep. So yeah, your profile looks really cool, neat and clean, and you have some featured section. Um, you have portfolio as well, some certifications. Also, one thing is missing, so you can upgrade this part as well. जो मैंने previous profile में बताया कि दक्ष के पास है, you can add it on your profile.
Yeah,
And rest of the thing is looking great. Yeah, you can work a bit on this experience section, your profile picture, and some contact information. You are good to go, bro.
exactly.
Next, move to the next profile. Cool. So move to Nitin. So banner is like अगर देख के कोई बोलेगा तो hmm, some AI is connecting to human, something like that is happening. But is it really he is a AI engineer or AI related stuffs? He's senior test engineer, LinkedIn Open Network, DFT, SOC, digital marketer, influencer, ACO. So he is one kind of marketing guy, like doing SEO stuffs, influencer marketing, digital marketing stuffs. So you should upgrade your banner, I guess, and your profile picture is neat and clean and it's look very very professional, right? So if you can change your banner a bit, it will look really really awesome. Cool, you are mentioning your Twitter as well, you are mentioning your email. That is really crazy, bro. Again, about the section, yeah, anything you wants to add over here?
Hey, in the about us section, only two lines are there. At least you should add a bit more about yourself. Like हमने
Yes.
जितने प्रीवियस प्रोफाइल्स देखा और जो भी हमने बताया उस हिसाब से अबाउट सेक्शन थोड़ा अच्छे से अगर आपका होगा तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Yep. You can upgrade your about us section as well as senior taste engineer. So you should explain it in a good manner कि कैसे you are contributing to that organization, right? So same goes to all experiences, right? And you have some projects, you have some certifications. Cool. So yeah, you can upgrade your uh, this experience section a bit, explaining what kind of thing you are doing, and also the about us section you can upgrade it, right? And rest of the thing is cool, and also the banner section you can update a bit because like you have this a good amount of skill set, so you should upgrade it according to your skill set in the banner section so that जब भी कोई आपकी प्रोफाइल में आए एक लुक में he or she can easily understand what kind of thing you are doing. So Varsha is having question. Hey Varsha, here even I fill the form since I'm the first year. Uh, I have updated my account only little bit. Suggest me how to update it. Sure, Varsha. We will go to your profile as well. Now next is Nitin. Cool. So again, banner is like from the copied from Google, but your profile pictures look good. But I don't know LinkedIn में black and white चलता है कि नहीं. But I suggest go for coloring pictures. Uh, I'm not giving you any kind of sense over there, but try to avoid black and white. Why? Where we can we are in the era of Web 3, so why we are mentioning this kind of black thing over there? Right. So you know who am I? AI 24 artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, some eye catchy words is mentioning, right? What do you think, Priya? Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks good.
Cool, but should change the banner because
Yeah, banner must be changed because after seeing the banner अभी मेरे दिमाग में ये चल रहा है कि ये गूगल से उठाया हुआ बैनर है.
yes.
एटलीस्ट बैनर में आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी दिखा सकते हो बाय यूजिंग कैनवा और एनी अदर टूल्स यू वांट. ओके, कॉन्टैक्ट सेक्शन इज वेरी गुड.
यार ये चीज मेरे को बहुत बोरिंग लगता है कि ना जब कोई they don't have any kind of paragraph line space anything on their about us section, पढ़ने में बोरिंग लगता है.
यस.
तो ये चीज के ऊपर ध्यान दो यार. अगर मैं बोर हो जाऊंगा तो रिक्रूटर थोड़ी इंटरेस्ट लेगा पढ़ने में. राइट. शुड इम्प्रूव दिस थिंग्स. यार ये पैराग्राफ हो गया. मेरे प्रोफाइल में भी मैंने ऐसे पैराग्राफ लिख के रखा है, बट एक्चुअली दिस इज नॉट फॉर.
बेटर होगा अगर आप उसको बुलेट पॉइंट्स में कर दो तो.
Again, you were mentioning the contribution. Let's say school. Mm-hmm. Perfect, perfect. Also, education section is perfect. Some volunteering experience with some work, what kind of thing. Awesome. Some certification projects. Also, you are mentioning other contributor as well. That's crazy. Also, you have recommendation, right? And free recommendation you have. Nice. Your profile is up to the mark. Everything is on point. About us is also on point, but try to create some bullet point and just change your banner and you are good to go. Now move to the Varsha. Yeah, Varsha. Now we are on your profile.
यस.
ठीक है. Varsha is AI and data scientist, right? So, so Varsha is first year student. So let's give her some sort of guidance. So let's start with Priya.
Okay. Banner, I feel that it's okay, okay. Profile picture needs to be changed. एंड इन द बायो सेक्शन आई गेस अगर आप और भी कुछ काम कर रहे हो या और भी स्किल्स आप लर्न कर रहे हो तो आप थोड़ा वो भी मेंशन कर दो. व्हाट डू यू
You
थिंक
can
साइड?
create it in a creative vibes. Let's say you are mentioning in your bio that coder in night, working in like coder in day or passionate in night. This kind of thing. Like मैं randomly कुछ भी
एग्जैक्टली.
बोल रहा हूँ, right? तो ऐसे ना like coder in night, musician in day. This kind of thing you can mention some funky words because you right now you don't have any kind of skills in your bucket list, so you can
और
mention this
put
kind of thing.
quotes if you want.
Right, so this kind of thing you can mention but not so long, just a short. Okay.
Exactly.
And this is not Instagram, this is LinkedIn, so you should change your
LinkedIn.
profile picture as soon as possible. And again, contact information should
Contact
be there.
info. Email is missing. If you are having GitHub, then it's also missing.
And in your experience section you mentioned two experience, but this is internship, but not internship. uh, you should mention your role right over there.
Yeah.
He, make a difference कंपनी में, what is your role, वो इधर पे mention करना है. So little bit error is there, so you can change it and also mention कि क्या करते हो तुम इस कंपनी में, right? Again, the Maharaja Institute of Technology. So you can mention your CGPA if you have right now. हाँ 2022 computer. Yes, you can mention your CGPA as well. And also you don't have any kind of skill set. So if you have, you can add on in the uh, skill section and also work on the about us section because you don't have your about us section. So I hope you understand what kind of thing आपको upgrade करना है, right? If you have anything, you can mention in the chat section. We will definitely look into your questions. Uh, yeah, there is one question. Is it still advisable to add the LinkedIn open to work banner if I am sick? See, like not mentioning in a proper way, but you can mention in some part of your banner section. But whole banner should not you know represent you are looking for any kind of job, right? It will look creep according to me. So you are searching a job, you are mentioning a huge in your banner section that I'm looking for an opportunity. Not like that. You can mention in a sub part that I'm looking for it, or you can use that profile picture thing like that, badge in your profile that you are look open to work or something like that. Moving to the next profile, that is Aman. So we are lives, and it 45 minutes. We are doing this streaming. Nice, cool. So again, let's jump
Banner.
to profile. Banner should be changed. अभी short में जाएंगे because we have lots of profile right now. We are on the
Exactly.
14, 20 and S1 कैसे आ गया? I don't know. ये तो 20 तक था. ठीक है,
हमारे
देखते
लाइक
हैं.
होते ही उतने आ गए.
ठीक है. Let's move fast and fast. Profile picture should be changed. Not like
Yes.
this. Banner should be changed. So for more, add MSIT, GSOC, SSOC3, some open source contribution, C++, Java, some star you have. ठीक है, but don't use this two-liner thing. Use one-liner thing. जगह ज़्यादा मिलेगा. Contact information is missing, so you should upgrade your contact information over here. Same thing goes to you have to upgrade your about us section, and also the experience section. You don't mention what kind of thing you are doing as web developer, what kind of thing you are building in that company, right? You should mention. And open source contributor, तो क्या क्या contribution किए हो, कितना repo में contribution किए हो, you should mention in that section, right? And rest of the thing is pretty cool. Any add-ons, Priya, if you want to add?
No, no, no add-ons. You already said all
Awesome.
things
So
are
yeah,
required
bro,
to add.
just change something and you are good to go. And maybe in this college, so we are in the middle of this session, so let's announce something that we are planning. What we are
Yeah,
planning? Any guesses, guys, in the chat section? Any guesses? What
guys,
is
कुछ तो गेस करो हम क्या बताना
what we
चाहते
are
हैं.
planning in the upcoming September month? Any guess in the chat section? Roadshow?
Yes, you are right,
Anyone?
Devansh.
anyone रोड शो में क्या होने वाला है?
हाँ.
Cool. Let's move to the website of our official road show. Cool. So this is the road show, like 5 city 25 college road show. What is happening in this road show? What will happen? We will be targeting 5 city and 25 college, and we will partner with some large or big giants. Let's say Wheel Audits, some layer zero blockchains, some domains related companies. We have our partner, right? So you can earn, you can learn, you can enjoy, and you can convert yourself as a Web3 enthusiast into a Web3 developer. So that's our main
Yes,
vision. So on top of that, we are trying to empower open source community as well, right? So
exactly.
how many of you are contributing in open source? Let me know in the comment section. Yes,
जल्दी जल्दी बताओ guys.
yes, in the comment section, that how many of you are contributing in the road in the open source. बताओ how many of you are, yeah, Atul is there, Atul is contributing into the open source. Nice. So
Yes.
what if I say keep planning to do in October? Okay, you will start. Okay, so what if I told you you will get some sort of reward while you are contributing to open source? How, like how you can earn some reward while contributing into the open source? So we're partnering with some foreign based companies. They will reward you when you are solving any kind of issue, right? What kind of issue you guys are solving? That's the question. So you are contributing into the GitHub, right? You are solving some issues, you are uploading your projects, you are doing some documentation changes in the websites, right? So this kind of thing we're doing in the open source. So we will give you some sort of monetary benefit, we'll give you some sort of incentives, let's say in terms of goodies, in terms of badges, in terms of stars into your profile. So you guys can come and enhance your skills. So we'll shortly announce the company itself. So if you guys want कि हाँ मेरे को अभी जानना है कंपनी का नाम, you can comment down below. अगर I get 3 to 4 comments, I will definitely share in the link in the chat section. From today itself, you can earn, learn, and contribute.
Yes.
So yep, this is the website. Also, if you have any contact in your in your connection, if they wants to go for sponsorship, we're happy to have some sponsor. And also, like, we are officially trying to collaborate, not trying to, we are officially collaborated with Quill Audits and Quill Academy
Audits.
for this total road show. So you can see some amazing stuff that is happening around India, right? Many companies are doing some road show, but this is a huge roadshow. I'm telling you again and again, this will be a huge roadshow with a, what I can say, a huge amount of sponsors, right? So we're coming to your cities, you are coming to your campuses for that roadshow. Okay, so let's move on to the profile review again. Cool. Anubhav Agrawal is there. Hmm. He's from DIT University, data engineer enthusiast. Lots of things should change because it's very beginner friendly. Beginner friendly, not beginner profile. We should upgrade your banner. There is no banner. Only data
Profile
engineer
picture.
enthusiast. Profile picture. Maybe contact information is also missing. Yep.
Yes.
So incomplete profile in general. So you can revise the uh, stream and you can watch it again, right? You
Yeah.
can also refer Dak's profile. Now move to the profile of Philip. So Philip, I guess you are there. So hi, let's review the profile of Philip. Hmm. So background, uh, I am not liking your background. You should change the background. What do you think?
I feel that the background is very basic.
Yes, you should change, you should upgrade some graphics, you should upgrade some skill set over there, not like this. You can refer that Daksh, right?
Yeah.
And also your profile picture should change because it's a selfie. But yeah, right now it's okay. But if you wants to look more, professional in your LinkedIn, you can definitely change your profile picture. Right? Moving to your
But
about
I
us,
feel like he should change his
it
profile
should change.
picture.
It should change. Self-taught .NET engineer, nice. Improving your code quality and clean architecture design, software engineer, .NET Core, C Sharp, Blazor, area, Web3, Unity, game developer enthusiast. There are many more things you are mentioning, but do not mention, like, do not add this, two-liner thing, two slash, right? Use one single slash,
Yes.
right? And also use emojis over there, right? If you add one to two emojis, it will look, eye catch, nothing else. Also, contact information. Let's see. Yeah, you are mentioning your phone number, some websites, and your email ID as well, so anyone can reach out to you. So yeah, you are mentioning some feature section that you take part in some hackathons in Microsoft hackathons. Uh, yeah, many more stuffs you are mentioning. That's cool. Moving to your about us section, you are mentioning your experience in .NET. Hmm. Yeah, it's work. It's work. Right. For now, it's work. And you are content creator at some company, and you were mentioning what kind of thing you were doing, also some skills. That is great thing. Also you are senior .NET developer at some companies, also it's mentioning. So you are chapter leader of Eduhub community from last 2 years. Yep. So also you are mentioning some sort of thing, right? Okay. That's also work. Also you can mention if you want your CGP, if you want to disclose your CGP, you
Yeah.
can add over here. And you don't have any kind of testimonial section, so you can ask us for the testimonial section. We're happy to give you the testimonial, right? So yeah, that's it pretty much about your profile, Philip. You can change your banner a bit and change your profile picture, and rather than this double slash, you can use single slash and some emojis into a headline section. I have to go. Hmm. Yeah, Priya, you can go ahead and review this profile.
Okay. Uh, to be very honest, I feel the banner is okay, but yeah, if you want, you can change the banner. Also, profile picture works a bit, but I'll suggest to change the profile picture. And now, coming to the bio, you are mentioning that you are a brand identity, a graphic designer. Mm, yeah, instead of those bullets, you can go with those single slash, and you can add a bit more things and make it more eye catchy. And the contact part, yeah, it's okay.
Nice. So you can
Yeah.
add your email ID as well in the contact information section. Let's move on to your about us section. So
Okay.
again, about us section is look good, but don't.
But they are in the paragraph format.
You should add some bullet point, some eye catchy
Exactly.
terms for defining your skill set. Cool. How to submit your LinkedIn profile? I don't think we can review any other LinkedIn profile because
Exactly.
we have lots of profile in our bucket list. So, Hers, uh, maybe you can join our episode 2 for your profile review. Right now, we can check others as well.
Exactly.
I'm sorry to say, bro. So again. So graphic designer at some company, so you can mention what kind of banner or what kind of template you are doing, so you can mention it over your experience section. And you are missing with the testimonial section, because in graphic designing
Yeah,
testimonial is very very important. So your client feedback, your manager feedback, your company's feedback, you should mention,
those things
right?
actually play a crucial role.
Yep. So yeah, that kind of thing you can share. So now move to the Atul. Hi Atul, if you there. So अतुल का बैनर देख के लग रहा है कि he is from coder corps, but exactly we can't imagine अगर हम लोग फर्स्ट लुक पे जाए what is coder corps, right? हम लोग को समझ में नहीं आएगा, and it's into the CPU or GPU something like that, but try to change your banner, it's not look professional.
Yeah.
Next is mine. Yes, yes, please. Excited. Your profile picture, I guess it's good. He's on the formal organizer at some event, building coder corps, awesome. Python and Django developer, code team member at some code in community, code team members at some chapters, campus monthly of GFG. So I guess it's very good. I guess I don't think you should mention another thing in your bio section. It's look
Yeah.
crazy, but should change your that this banner.
कि बैनर देख के मुझे ऐसा मन कर रहा था बोलने का कि बैनर चेंज करो एंड देन तुमने बोल ही दिया.
And I let's see contact में क्या क्या है. You are mentioning your GitHub, Linktree. I guess in Linktree you are mentioning your email ID, right?
Yes.
I'm not checking, but you should mention your email ID, bro. See, this is some of your events that you were featured, YT hack, and other stuff as well. GDSC. Wow, cool, nice. Moving to your about us section, you were mentioning in the short that I am a learner and want to explore something new in technologies. I am also building tech communities. Awesome. I don't think you should add any more things because it's short and I can clearly understand what is your vision, that you are a tech enthusiast and a community builder.
It's
But
short and crisp.
yes, you are a volunteer at GDG Cloud Noida, but what is your position over here, right? What kind of thing you are doing? You should mention it in the section, right? So you are event manager. How many event you conducted, right? Web developer. So kitna web design tum kiye ho, right? So this kind of thing you can mention over here. And also your CGPA is missing in the, like, you are studying in Vision Institute of Technology, but you should mention your CGPA as well if you want. It's not mandatory. Again, moving to the next section, that is the testimonial section is not there. You are leading some communities, you should have some testimonial section in your uh, profile. Now moving to the Yashpreet profile. Cool. So if I see the background, so Yashpreet is a web developer, right?
Yeah, the background
So
looks decent.
decent. You should add something. You
Yeah.
can add that you are a tech savvy or something. This kind of word. Also, you can
Or
mention
some
your
icons.
icons. Also you can add some sort of what I can say, your email ID in a small manner in the bottom of the profile. You can also mention if you want. Your profile picture is good. It's look. I guess ठीक है. चलेगा.
Yeah.
Postman student leader, open source, but open source. This is a symbol of advocacy. Okay. Web developer, community builder. ठीक है. We're mentioning in simple word. That's awesome. Also, we can mention other term as well, but it's look good. So in contact information, you were mentioning lots of things. Email
Everything
ID,
is there.
Twitter. Kudos to you, bro. Moving to your feature section, so you are taking some session on APIs, so that is great. And also we're taking some workshop in in-person mode. That's crazy, man. Let's move to your about us section. This is one to two, three liners. Hello, I am Yashpreet. So for most student pursuing ठीक है, चलेगा, चलेगा, it's work, but you can add on some of your technical skills as well if you want, right? You are a web developer,
Yeah.
so your skills in web development, any framework, anything you can mention. Now let's jump on to the experience section. So you are a community evangelist at Eduhub community, and you are mentioning as a community evangelist, I'm supposed to bring culture to our college. So you are mentioning what kind of thing you are doing with Eduhub community, right? So
Yeah.
awesome. So you're a team member of growing communities, but you are not mentioning what's the key role, right? You should mention. जैसे कि तुमने Eduhub में mention किया है, same thing you can mention,
Exactly.
right? And also girl script. See, इधर पे मैं एक करेक्शन करना चाहूंगा. You are mentioning girl script के बारे में you mentioned, but you are not mentioning what kind of contribution तुमने किया है इस program में, right? So you should mention your contribution, not what girl script is doing. People know what is girl script summer of code, but people don't know what is your contribution in that program, right? So you should mention your contribution in that section, right? Let's say you are contributing in this repository, in that repository. So I change, let's say I add on button, I add one homepage, I add on profile section. So what kind of thing you are doing, just mention it over there. Again, open source contributor at script foundation. So again, same thing. So you are member at DIT as a member of SM student chapter. कितने इवेंट तुमने करवाया है, कितने इवेंट में वॉलंटियरिंग किया है, you should mention in that section as well. Again, testimonial section is missing, so you taking some session, you are taking some community works, so you should have some testimonial section. You can talk to your founders, you can talk to your fellow mates to give some recommendation to you. Yeah, that is pretty much about it. Yes, Preet, I hope it's clear to you. And anything, Priya, you wanna add?
So, no things are there to be added. I feel you have added everything.
Awesome, Yashpreet. So, yeah, go ahead and change something into a profile, and you are good to go, bro. 21. It's 1 hour live session, bro. We are live. Thank you for your valuable suggestion. Welcome, bro. Mood of buzz. So keep it smile. Keep it smile.
No, no, it's written
Hmm.
keep it simple.
Oh, simple. I'm sorry. I'm reading smile. I'm thinking, what is keep it smile? uh,
The background needs to be changed and the profile picture also.
hmm. Social media manager in IEEE branch, public speaker, web developer. Hmm, 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 hmm. As a social media manager, you have to be creative, right? तो कुछ creativity
Yeah.
दिखाओ and add on to your headline so that कोई profile में आए, तो he or she will stick onto your profile for some time. Not mentioning any contact information, you should upgrade your contact information section. About us direct aa jata, you are mentioning I am a social media marketer. Yeah, this kind of thing is good. Mhm.
एग्जैक्टली
चलेगा.
हम इतने टाइम से बोल रहे थे कि बुलेट्स एंड ऑल में मेंशन करो हमने इसकी प्रोफाइल में ये देखा
Also, you are mentioning your work profile earlier. I hired as a digital marketer intern, and everything you mentioned, that is cool, bro. And a member of, again, you are missing in that section. You can mention this thing. So you are doing BCA from DIT. Also, testimonial section is not there. Some project is missing. You should upload your projects and some stuffs into your profile, so it will look more cool to the HR or any recruiter. Cool. Move to the next profile. Sasmitha, if you are there, hi. Yo, your banner is black and white. Why? 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 कुछ
यस
problem है banner के साथ? You should upgrade your banner as soon as possible, according to your skill set, according to your profile. I guess your profile picture look good. I don't think you should upgrade it because this is perfect. So you're mentioning that you are taken to see as public speaker and founder. Mm, simple. चलेगा. Not mentioning any contact information.
Uh-uh. Contact information.
About a section is again crafted. Should have some paragraph. Should have some bullet point. You are campus ambassador, but क्या करते हो campus ambassador में? You should mention. Right? Again, you are doing interview. I have been chosen as a community evangelist. Okay. So, but what is your role in Eduhub community? You should mention some certification, some volunteering experience, some projects is there, but not having any testimonial. So you should work on a testimonial. I hope it's clear. Just change your banner, rate, change your about a section, and add something on your experience section. That's it. You are branding yourself as a MLSA, but is there any kind of benefit you are getting to brand MLSA on behind your profile? I don't know. So we are. Give me suggestion.
I'm, I'm not liking the banner, nor I'm liking the profile picture, nor I'm liking the about section.
Learner, beta MLSA, student partner, future developer. Okay, you should upgrade, bro. Just change that banner, right? You are representing MLSA. That's crazy. But is it your end goal? If yes, then you can. But if it is not your end goal, then do not post like this kind of banner. Why you are promoting MLSA? I can't get it. So ऐसा मत लेना कि like I'm against MLSA, but I'm also in MLSA. But what's the benefit? It's your public profile, right? It's not the MLS's profile. So you are representing yourself as MLSA. That's the thing. I hope you can upgrade your contact information as well. About the section again in
About
the
section.
cringy way. ठीक है एक्सपीरियंस सेक्शन तुमने ऊपर तो ब्रांडिंग कर दिया एमएलएसए का राइट बट एज अ एमएलएसए व्हाट इज योर वर्क यू आर नॉट मेंशनिंग इन द एक्सपीरियंस सेक्शन जहाँ पे तुमको मेंशन करना है वहीं पे तुम मेंशन नहीं किए बट यू आर मेंशनिंग इन द banner. Cool. So this kind of changes you can do, right? Again, Divyanshu Jha is there. If Divyanshu is there, hi Divyanshu. So in his banner, he is mentioning that he's web dev, ML, and Arduino.
But I feel like the banner is too simple.
Hmm. Hmm. But ठीक है, चलता है. But काम चलाओ तक चलेगा. But
Yeah.
profile picture. I don't know. Right now it's okay, but you should change. You should
Yeah.
upgrade.
अभी
If you
के
have
लिए
time,
ठीक है
if you
फिर
have
बाद में
friends,
चेंज करना है.
just give them a treat and support each follow. Intern at the rate DTU USIP, C++ and Java 3 star at Hacker Rank, Web Dev. Yeah, according to Meena, there is no value of stars. बहुत लोग इसको कंट्रोवर्सी में लेगा but genuinely I'm not liking this. I can build like 5 star coder in one day. You guys are saying how it's possible. See, there are lots of tricky things there in hacker rank, right? If you know कैसे हम लोग स्टार बढ़ा सकते हैं. So why you're mentioning in the profile, right? Rather than this star or DSS stuff, you can mention other thing, right? This is my personal point of view. Okay, if you want to implement, you can go ahead and implement. Again, contact information is there, but you should upgrade your GitHub. And तुमने तो 3 star coder, you are 3 star coder at hacker rank, so you should mention your profile, public profile link, right, in the contact information so that I can click and see your ratings in the hacker rank.
Yeah.
Your about the section, pretty cool. You were mentioning into that section. That's awesome. So yeah, in that section you were mentioning something, but I can see. हाँ, तुमने इधर पे मेंशन किया है अबाउट योर बैजेस एंड एवरीथिंग भी। ठीक है, चलता है, बट ऊपर भी रख दो। सो इन कंट्रीब्यूटर का समर बाय द कंडीशन ऑफ दैट फोटो डिफरेंट वन। सो यू आर मेंशनिंग सेम थिंग लाइक व्हाट इज गर्ल स्क्रिप्ट समर ऑफ कोड। रिक्रूटर क्यों जानना चाहेगा व्हाट इज गर्ल स्क्रिप्ट समर ऑफ कोड? रिक्रूटर जानना चाहेगा तुमने क्या
कि
कंट्रीब्यूट
तुम
किए
क्या
हो,
कर रहे हो?
तुम क्या कर रहे हो भाई समर ऑफ कोड में, ये जानना है रिक्रूटर को, राइट? नॉट व्हाट इज गर्ल स्क्रिप्ट समर ऑफ कोड। So change this kind of thing. Web developer, take care. You're mentioning some skill set. Also, cloud native student community group member. ठीक है. And you don't have any in, testimonial section. You should add this. Cool. I hope it's clear to you. Next move, we move to Jamilur Rahman. Why this shit type of banner and why student? I'm not getting this point. Student banner. Again, you should change Jamilur as soon as possible.
Banner needs to be changed.
Add some GitHub stuffs.
Yeah.
भाई साहब इतना बड़ा कौन पढ़ेगा, नहीं पढ़ना है. Should have some points, should have some paragraphs. Education system with university चलता है certificate and don't have any kind of testimonial, so I can see your profile is incomplete. So change your banner, change your profile picture, and add some eye-catchy terms in that about the section. Not like one student. You are mentioning that I'm student. Student is your identity. हर्षित, और कितना प्रोफाइल है? ओ माय गुडनेस,
Oh my
34
goodness.
प्रोफाइल.
34.
यार 20 था, 20 से 35 हो गया यार. ठीक है.
कहीं ऐसा ना
Guys,
हो
guys,
कि हम
guys,
सारी
we
रात
are
ये
streaming
प्रोफाइल
this
रिव्यू करते रहते
from
हैं.
last 1 hour 16 minutes. So can we have one shout out on social media that this stream is going on? Can we get some shout out in the Twitter? And also the one contest is going on in the Eduhub. Let me show you that contest. We are looking for some community partners. So this is the giveaway we are conducting. तो क्या है giveaway में? You can sign up by clicking on this link. This will take 1 to 2 seconds. I will show you. Click on sign up. Let me copy that link so that I can share in the chat section with you people. And just click on sign up. One click on sign up. It's done. कितना सेकंड लगा? 2 to 3 seconds. Just do this thing, and after register, you can uh, click your profile like screenshot. Control S. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, ले लिए, या फिर अपना लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग जो हो रहा है उसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, ले लिए, एंड पोस्ट इट ओवर ट्विटर एंड टैग अस @community eduhub. अगर तुम सर्च करोगे ट्विटर पे जाके, यू कैन easily uh, get like the prizes. So might we were thinking what kind of prizes we have. We have lots of prizes from t-shirt to stickers to headphones to caps, everything on our bucket list. Whenever we are starting our cohort, our roadshow, you will get
Roadshow.
some sort of goodies from our side. So this is a giveaway, right? So you guys can avail your t-shirt swags from this live event. ठीक है, कोई भी इवेंट फ्री नहीं होता है, हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ गिव अवे रखते हैं, राइट? Cool. Actually, shout out will be the result in more LinkedIn profile reviews. Yeah, it will give us some motivation to take another initiative, to take another section, because see, we are investing 1 hour 30 minutes, more than 30-minute time for you people to review your profile. So that's what we are looking for one small shout out, nothing else. And also shout out जब दोगे will get some swags as well. यार ऐसे ही नहीं दे रहा है, swags बांट रहा है यार. Cool. So yeah, move to Harshit. जब भी प्रोफाइल में आऊं, looks like he is a speaker, but
Yes.
profile picture is look good, but not the banner. You should upgrade it. As a public speaker,
Simple and
as a
cohesive.
community enthusiast, you should upgrade your banner as soon as possible. Intern and final year student, as I don't know you are how much you are active in community, but I can see like you attended several events. So I suggest you can add some sort of community experience in the headline section. Also add your email ID. Okay, type about us section. Internship experience, working on e-commerce platform, creating product journey. Yep. This kind of thing should be there. Chalega. Nice. Also, you're mentioning projects and also mention your others fellow mates. You are core team lead at GDSC Wow Udaipur. Nice. Yeah. Also, as you are organizer of several events, you can take some testimonial from your speaker or the co-organizer, right? Zaid, please try to understand. Uh, Lots of profile is there. We can cover your LinkedIn profile in the next session, next episode. Too soon, like after one day, I will promise I will, bring this same thing into this channel only. After one day.
A promise from our side.
Okay, Aman Raj और 3 से 4 प्रोफाइल है. Let's finish it. Guys, don't forget about the giveaway again. Disclaimer, guys, and sign up on this platform. So, yo, again, I'm sharing. Oh, WebD and open source. Profile picture look good, but not the banner. JavaScript,
Banner
aspiring full
needs to
stack
be
web
changed.
developer, FKIT. ठीक है, चल देगा. Headline is ticked up, but banner should be changed. Contact information maybe, हाँ, Twitter is there, email is there, everything is there. चलेगा. About a section. Uh,
बुलेट्स में कर दो अबाउट अ सेक्शन को.
but फिर भी ठीक ठाक है, चलेगा. Is some mentioning some paragraphs. SKIT 22. ठीक है. Work on your banner, work on your testimonial section, and if you have some experience, something you can mention it. Divyansh. ठीक है. Looks like Divyansh is in the field of communities. So in his banner, I can clearly see he's giving some talk. Nice, right? Mentioning his college name, campus ambassador. See, bro, this campus ambassador term should be replaced. ठीक है. You can add another thing, you are working in blockchain India, but not that campus ambassador term. You should remove this. Okay? स्टूडेंट एक्सपर्ट एट पोस्टमैन एवेंजलिस्ट, जैसे कि एवेंजलिस्ट एडुअप कम्युनिटी लिखो, इट्स लुक ग्रेट, बट कैंपस एम्बेसडर टर्म इज नॉट लुक गुड. ठीक है. व्हाट डू
Yeah,
यू
that,
थिंक
that
प्रिया
part is
अबाउट
up
दिस
to
प्रोफाइल?
date. The things that you mentioned, I also feel that needs to be implemented. About section,
थोड़ा सा डिटेलिंग चाहिए.
a bit detailing is required.
So your community evangelist at Eduhub community selected as a community manager. Eduhub community, this is unique opportunity for me to gain practical experience, develop skills. I'm supposed to bring vertical culture in campus. No, okay. Being a co-leader, there's a ठीक है. So yeah, you can work on some testimonial part as you are working in some communities. You can take recommendation from our side, recommendation from other communities as well. Okay. Last three. My internet is also loading slow. I don't know. Okay. So yeah, Sajal, if you are there, so you are mentioning some comment. So if you are there, hi Sajal. So Divyansh having one question. I don't know what. Definitely work on this, भैया. Thanks for the suggestion. Okay. चलेगा, चलेगा. So यार बैनर मेरे को किसी का भी पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. क्यों नहीं पसंद आ रहा है?
मुझे तो याद भी नहीं
या
है कि
हाय
मैंने कितना
सजल.
बैनर देख के बोला कि अच्छा है. बोला सजल.
Cool. So yeah, you should upgrade your banners as you are a content creator and you have 10K views on your YouTube channel. You should upgrade your banner in a content creator style, right? Not like simple "Hello, welcome to my profile. I am this and that." No, you should update like ऐसे ऐसे की पॉइंट्स डालो so that people can understand your point of view, right? And also a campus ambassador, again I'm saying, do not use this campus ambassador term in your headline. Student expert and something like that, you are blogger, cool, everything is looking good, but not this campus ambassador term. And the banner and the profile picture is look great. And in contact information section, you were mentioning, I don't know what kind of thing. So you are mentioning your hash node and medium profile, but you should upgrade your email ID as well. And
Email,
you are a content
yes.
creator, so you should upload your YouTube channel. Again, point, add some bullet points, right? Again, campus superhero. So campus superhero में करते क्या हो, right? I'm also a tech speaker, just writing for a good photo, just waiting for a good photo. Okay, you. एंड कैंपस हीरो में तुम करते क्या हो, व्हाट इज योर वर्क, शुड मेंशन. ठीक है, कोर टीम ऑफ सम क्लब, यू कैन आल्सो मेंशन. हाँ, तुमने मेंशन करके रखे हो कि कंडक्टेड ट्रेनिंग, conducting some workshops on UI UX. That's cool. So same thing you should update in the campus hero section. Again, campus ambassador and some organization. You are mentioning some about the section, but you should work on the testimonial part as well because it's, enhance your profile. So I hope it's clear. If you have any questions, Sajal, you can drop down in the chat. We'll definitely answer your question. Profile picture should change, not look good.
Yes.
And you are mentioning that it's for a MERN stack developer, but it's work. But so for more MERN stack learner, not just you are just congested everything. Create some spaces, create some emojis, add some slash things. so that it will look great, है ना. मेंशन तुमने सब कुछ किया है, बट ट्राई टू ऐड इट इन अ फॉर्मेट, है ना. लिंक्डइन जब बनाओगे, राइट, यू शुड हैव एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 hour टाइम इन योर हैंड. सोच समझ के यू शुड अपग्रेड योर लिंक्डइन. ऐसे ही नहीं बैठ गया एंड आई एम अपग्रेडिंग माय लिंक्डइन. ठीक है. कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रिटी कूल. अगेन प्रोफाइल पिक अबाउट में थोड़ा सा मेंशन है, बट ट्राई टू ब्रीफ इट विथ सम बुलेट पॉइंट. Open source, again same thing. Open, like, largest tech community, but what you are doing,
ये मेंशन
ये
करो कि
mention.
आप क्या कर रहे हो.
But same profile, same thing. Try to upgrade, bro. Last profile on the list, and this is Chirag. अगर मैं चिराग की प्रोफाइल में जंप करता हूँ, so I can see that Chirag is involved in uh,
Flutter.
Android development, Flutter, and Firebase. Like, he is in application building, right? So Flutter developer at some companies, tech enthusiast, BTech CSE student, creative problem solver. That's cool. But प्रोफाइल का जो बैनर, लाइक बैनर जो है, थोड़ा सा आप चेंज कर सकते हो, थोड़ा सा ग्राफिक्स ऐड कर सकते हो टू लुक मोर इनहैंसमेंट. लाइक लोग जब आएगा, शुड अट्रैक्ट टू योर प्रोफाइल, राइट. अभी फीका फीका सा लग रहा है. And also you should add your email ID over there. Again, everything on a go, but not like that. Try to add some bullet point one by one. So you're mentioning your some key skill set, but rather than your skill set, कि तुम इस कंपनी में बना क्या रहे हो? What is your work? Whether you were designing database, were working on client side, what is your work exactly? You should mention over there. And you were mentioning some sort of projects with GitHub link. That's a awesome thing, bro. And again, looking for some testimonials. जो भी तुम्हारे कंपनी का फाउंडर है, मैनेजर है, try to bring some sort of, review on your work. So yeah, this is the last profile. We don't have any other profile for today itself. So yeah, again, disclaimer, guys, giveaway is going on. You can take part in the giveaway and win some swags. So this is pretty much about the LinkedIn live session for today. So hope you guys enjoyed a lot. Cool. Any last note Priya you wants to add, and then we can wrap up the session.
मेरी तरफ से लास्ट नोट यही है कि हमने जो जो भी इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस आपके प्रोफाइल में बताए हैं उनको जल्दी से जल्दी कर लो. एंड एज वी प्रॉमिस्ड, हम अपने एपिसोड 2 के साथ बहुत जल्दी आएंगे. सो बहुत जल्दी हम आएंगे, और तब गूगल फॉर्म सब जल्दी जल्दी भर देना. दैट्स ऑल आई वांट
Perfect.
टू
So
ऐड.
see you in upcoming one day. We'll meet in this platform only in the YouTube live stream. We will talk in details. And the meantime, guys, if you have any query, you can join our Discord server. You can go to eduhubcommunity.tech and you can join our Discord server. Let me share the link with you guys again. The link tree of Eduhub community. You guys can join. So yeah, here we go with the link tree. So we can join our server. We can have a good interaction over our server. So, and also if you want to conduct roadshow in your campus, definitely reach out to me, reach out to Priya, or reach out to any of the Eduhub community member. Will definitely help you out and conduct one sort session in your campus. And literally,
Yes,
I'm telling you
guys.
again, this roadshow will be huge roadshow. We're tying up with multiple companies and we'll be bringing a lots of knowledge, lots of resources in your bucket list. So thanks for joining for the event. See you in the next event with a new session with the new profiles. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a nice, not nice, good night. Bye bye. Take care.
Good night, everyone. Bye. We'll meet soon.